Welcome back. 5 things I totally love about my G82 M4. 1. Tuning possibilities. You can do a lot. That silhouette allows you to build your own supercar because it's supercar ready. It's a GT4 engine and you can build a 700 plus horsepower monster. Design-wise, you can do a lot. You can change your wheels, and the spoke design of the wheels allows that you can add this to your M4 and build your own individual project. So it's a unique car for every one of you guys. If you want to build your unique dream car, your M4 is your baby. 2. The engine. The S58 is a dream. You will love it. It's a GT4 engine and 90% of the whole engine model is built for race car, and I think it's kind of unique. You have a race car on the streets. 3. The seats. You need to get the carbon fiber seats. It's a must. Some guys think it's a nice seat, but you cannot go a long distance. I drove 16 fucking hours with these seats and it's awesome. No back pain, nothing. It's perfect. You should get these seats. Period. 4. Worth the money. Alright, it's pricey, I get your point, but you get a lot. It's around 100,000 euros. Think about it. What do you get? You cannot buy a Porsche, you cannot buy a Lamborghini. Build this, adds 20-30,000 and you have a competitive race car which busts a Huracan or even an Aventador when you do it right. And I think prices will not fall that much. When you look at the F series, F80, F82, it's increasing. And I think the same will happen with these cars because all the electric hype will push these cars. I'm not 100% sure, but I think that will happen. And this brings me to the conclusion that this car is totally worth the money and the price tag is totally fine. 5. Controversy. Alright, I get you. Maybe the front is not for everyone, but you can change it, you can add a front lip, you can change the grille, and it looks quite perfect. First you hated it, now everyone loves it, and I love to have a controversial car.